In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing a busy schedule, planning a project, or managing a team, Google Calendar can be a powerful tool to keep everything on track. Let's walk through the steps together. First, let's open up your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so that you can access your personal calendars. Once you're in, you'll see your current calendar view. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a section labeled Other Calendars. This is where you can manage additional calendars that you create or subscribe to. To begin creating a new calendar, find the plus sign directly next to Other Calendars and give it a click. This little plus sign is your gateway to creating something new and tailored just for you. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Create New Calendar. You'll be taken to a new page where you can customize your calendar. This is where the fun begins. Start by giving your calendar a name. The name should reflect its purpose. For instance, you might call it Content Calendar if it's for planning social media posts, or perhaps Team Projects for managing group collaborations. Naming your calendar helps keep things organized, especially if you're juggling multiple calendars. Under the name, you'll find options to add a description and set a time zone for your new calendar. Adding a description is optional, but it can be really helpful if you want to outline the calendar's purpose or who it's for. Setting the correct time zone is crucial, particularly if you're coordinating across different regions. It ensures that all your events display accurately for everyone involved. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and you're happy with your setup, it's time to bring your calendar to life. Simply click the Create Calendar button, which you'll find towards the bottom of the screen. This will save your new calendar with the details you've entered. After the calendar is created, it will appear in your calendar list on the left side of your screen under My Calendars. From here, you can start adding events, sharing it with others, and customizing notifications, and all the essential features that make Google Calendar so versatile. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Google Calendar. Now you're ready to organize and schedule with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this new tool as helpful as I do. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.